In this video, I'm going to explain the meaning of the idiom, raise the bar.
Those Dixie chicks have really raised the bar.
To raise the bar means to set higher standards or rules than before. To make something a bit more difficult. Or to raise the quality expected. Origin of the idiom, raise the bar. This idiom comes from the track and field events, the high jump and the pole vault. In these events, a horizontal bar is raised higher and higher to increase the difficulty of the jump. Here are some sentence examples for how to use raise the bar. The special effects in the movie raised the bar for the next generation of high-tech thrillers. This phone really raises the bar. It's basically a laptop computer that fits in your hand. It's time police forces raised the bar in their recruiting efforts.